sobrang random kasi. Parang, ano
But
ba
it's so
yan?
better when you give a hug us. Like, I try to savor it and make it last as long as possible.
I mean, grabe, sinipon ako.
I made a
After
pillow.
ganap, sinipon ako.
Huh? Really?
Yeah.
Why?
And my throat is like, yeah. That's
Pero
like,
nung ano, oh, that's not good, ha?
I don't know. Super
Teacher will be
desperado na ako.
That's a no-no. Ano, gargle,
Salt water.
yeah, warm salt water. It's,
I tried.
Kaya,
I tried naman.
morning and night, ha? It works.
Really? Sabi, before sleep lang.
Hindi, I do it both, morning and night.
Yikes.
It's not that bad.
Me ano lang, like before sleep. Kasi hindi ko napipigilan mag-water. So,
I don't know. Basta, and, yeah, yun lang. I think that's it.
yay! We're both not
Pero before
alive.
yung, after nung prom, did you have, or wala pa?
Yeah.
Pero
Parang
mas lumala
super
siya
dry
after nung birthday dinner ko. Mas lumala.
Yeah!
Oh. Sa akin, gumaling na after that day.
Damn. Sana all. Sa akin, lumala. Parang, hindi na, lumala yung ubuan sipon ko.
Baka kasi may iniinom ako na yung inanang ng doctor prescribe.
Wow.
Is it still like inflamed pa?
Doctor?
Eh, di ba kasi nung
Oh, yeah, I remember.
day na yun, clinic ako.
Nagulat ako, guys. Ang dami, like, isang paper bag. Nagulat ako, sunod-sunod yung labas niya ng med. So, kailan ka matatapos?
Parang, may antibiotic for the inflammation, may Sinupret for yung sipon, tapos may Biogesic for the fever. Yun, tatlo. Tapos may Fluisil pa. Apat
Ang
yun.
dami. So, parang sa isang oras, 4 yung iniinom mo.
Hindi. Oh, actually, tinanong ko yung medic. Tinanong ko sa kanya ha, is it okay to take those at the same time, like when I started? Tapos sabi niya, okay naman daw. So, like, you know,
Okay.
para...
Tapos tinanong dito, like, how long have you been trainees po? 1 year!
1 year!
Ay, magpa-question tayo.
Sige.
Sige,
Si Minji at Lara pala to. Wow.
Okay, ask a question, guys. We'll try to answer.
But yeah, I was feeling very weak that
Can
day.
you tell us how you became one? Okay, who first?
We became one.
Like, became
Nag-merge.
trainee, ganun.
Oh, okay. Sino ba?
Brother! Okay, you first.
Me first. How I became trainee? Wala. Okay, nung very, very first, wala. Yun lang yun. Yun lang yung answer ko. Joke. Nung very, very long time ago, I auditioned sa Araneta Coliseum. And then, after a year later, they called me sa first Star Hunt. And then I left. And then, nag-contact lang ako after that. And then, they contacted me for the second Star Hunt. So, yun na. Yeah.
Oh, okay, quick.
Long story short lang yun.
For me, kasi, nakuha ko as a trainee dahil nag-Beanie Bestie ako. Like, I auditioned for Beanie Bestie, and then after the Grand Beanieverse, na-contact na nila ako, and, where's your friend? Go see. And then, yay! Of course! And then now I'm here.
Hi, Hershey!
Hi, Hershey. Okay, my next.
Sino pinakamakulit? Tumingin sa iba. Wow.
Not me.
Ang ingay ko. Sorry po.
Not me. Hoy, nag-zoomies lang ako. Ay, okay, fine. Makulit pala yun.
Si Bianca para siyang cat. Honestly, if I can describe Bianca, in a way, para siyang cat because minsan may time siya na tahimik lang, she's hiding under the table, mag-isa on her phone, tapos biglang after like mga ilang minutes or whatever, tatakbo siya around the room. Sisigaw or sasayaw. Biglang may Like, she will stand and then all of a sudden she screams something na parang meme or something. Like, she will yell.
Hindi, kasi may mga times na parang super low bat ako. Parang may marinig lang akong kumausap sa akin, parang gusto ko na agad matulog. Parang yung para pag binarinig ako, ganun. Pero alam na yun ng girls. So, kapag lumabas na ako sa ilalim ng table, okay, I'm fully charged na.
13, 14, 15. You think this is too big for a seat cover?
I think, depends.
Kalimutan ko paano mag-blanket. Nahihirapan ako. Sino sa mga girls ang maingay? Iba to sa makulit, ha? Well, actually, yeah, maingay ka rin. Pero like, other than you, who's
Let's talk in person.
I love you so much.
Hi.
Who's next? Sino yung sunod na ano? Si Rain siguro, no?
Grabe, na-top 1 ko pa si Rain. Hello?
Well,
yeah.
hindi kasi minsan, like lately, she's just been quiet din. She's been very chill. But then, like, yeah, she's also maingay din. So.
Pero kasi ako tuloy-tuloy ako eh.
Oo.
Pero kasi, ako, off-cam ako super kulit. Tapos si Rain, on-cam siya super kulit. So,
Yeah.
nahihiya ako pag on-cam. Pero kapag off-cam, any tips for those who want to become trainees as well?
I'm sorry.
Why?
May comment sa akin. Sabi, yung naka-cap exotic ang nuts parang reptile.
What? Ano?
I don't know. Basta you look like a reptile daw.
Excuse me.
In a beautiful way.
Me? Reptile?
You know, chameleons, are they reptiles? Yeah, they're reptiles, right? They blend in.
Is it because of my nose?
I've never seen you do that before. Whoa.
I think it's because of my nose.
Sino yan? Iba na yun.
Look at my nose, guys.
Side profile.
My nose bridge is like,
Oh, okay.
okay. Sabi, any tips for those who want to become trainees as well?
Audition kayo ng audition. Don't stop because there are times where, obviously, if you want to know how many times nag-audition ako to get like a commercial or to get like acting, whatever thing that day, to get in whatever group, in whatever project, ang daming auditions. There are so many, but you just have to keep auditioning over and over and always take it as growth. The right thing will find its right way to you. Yeah. So, ikaw naman.
For me, same as well. Parang, there's always like perfect timing for you. There's always a planned perfect timing for you. So, you just have to trust the process and be patient and yeah, don't pressure yourself. There's always perfect timing. Yeah, that's it. What? Miana joined? No.
Oh.
No way. Hello. Wait, calm.
Kalma lang. Demure. Oh, I need to take my medicine.
Welcome to Vance and Glenn Vlogs.
Hello. Welcome. Oh my gosh. Okay, wag na. Mamaya na lang. Nahiya ako.
Number 62. Like, day or vlog? Basta naabutan ko pa yung vlog nila na may like parang yung may count kada vlog nila.
I don't
Yeah.
remember. Basta, I just remember watching them when nung bata pa siya, like, very small, and nasa car, and I was like,
Yeah. Naabutan ko pa yung vlog nila talaga. Like parang kada kada intro nila, merong like may number kung ilan na.
I just saw, like,
Tapos, napanood ko pa yung recent vlog nila.
aw.
The Airbnb cheap, and then and then the expensive one.
Mm.
Oh my gosh.
You wanna answer another question? But, sino sa mga girls ang intimidating?
Intimidating?
Intimidating.
Intimidating.
I don't know. Parang wala. Baka kasi we're together all the time. We know each other. So, like,
Yeah. Pero ang laging nasasabihan na intimidating, like, kunyari, pag nag-ask ka, like, prompt, meron tayo di bang ganun? Parang nasabi natin before si Crystal Brimner. No?
yeah,
Right?
I can see in a way.
Yeah. Pero kasi si Crystal, meron lang siyang like yung, parang may rest face lang siya na parang intimidating. Pero kapag nakausap mo siya, oh my God, super smiling niya na.
Very expressive.
Sinong pinaka-matured sa inyo? All of us naman. Yeah. Yeah. Pero kasi, syempre, ang pinakamatanda sa amin, si Frances. Sige na nga.
Actually, she gives good advice though. Let's be honest.
Yeah. Pero sometimes din, parang most of us, kahit mas mga bata kami, nakapagbigay din kami ng mga malalalim na advice to each other. So,
Yeah,
lahat kami talaga matured.
very true.
Yeah. Sino mas maganda? Bianca, hello. Ni hao, xie. Pinaka-close sa Sha Boys at Sha Teens. So sa Sha Boys, of course, the Beanie Besties. Ju and Lance, and Calvin, and Andres, and Peyton.
Zeke.
Yeah, and Zeke. Sila yung closest. Pero lahat naman, like, gano'n naman. Pero sila lang yung parang, yung gano'n. Yung gano'n yung effect. Tapos sa Sha Teens, of course, si Hershey. Hershey, and Marla, and Alec. Yeah. Pero lahat naman.
Yeah. We're always together naman, so.
Reaction to Beanie Step Back. Wow!
I love the choreo.
I super love the choreo. Also, kahit nung yung song pa lang, na parang ibang atake siya. Ibang atake yung Step Back, in fairness. Like, parang parang buong album ng Signos, iba yung atake nila. Like, parang,
What's the other song? Meron pa isang song na favorite ko rin. Other than Step Back. I forgot.
Sugar Rush, Tic-Tac-Toe, Honey Honey.
I don't know if it was Sugar Rush or... Parang meron pa isa eh. I forget.
Unang Kilig, Blush. Ayun lang.
Yeah. Blush din. Basta.
I think gagawan mo ang yeah, kabisado ko na siya. I-film na lang. Nagpaturo ako kay Kuya Jerel.
Wow. Yun pala, yung
Alin?
di ba when you slept over dito, may Ginawa tayong TikTok, di ba?
Mm-hmm. Well,
I'll send it to you na lang. Kasi I just want to make sure you're okay with me posting.
okay.
Mamaya na.
Fine.
Sino po main rapper niyo? Sino po main rapper niyo?
Pero parang ang rappers natin, Jystel, Ball,
You.
and yeah, me. The trio.
The trio.
Ang mga nagnadarang and XG.
I really wanted to try, pero kasi Tricky Cheese want other stuff.
I think you can man. Pero yeah, parang set
sa ano ba sabihin?
Papoy.
Papoy, sorry.
So parang
May
pero
other
parang ngayon sa group ngayon, parang ang ginagawang main ngayon is kaming tatlo. Yeah. Pero all of us can rap naman. Pero you know, the flavors. Rap part is insane though. Yeah, sa Step Back, it's so good. Real iffy. Ano ba, try nga na, ano yung rap part sa Step Back? Step Back lyrics. Para, tignan mo, Jystel, Francis, and Caitlyn, para daw kayong triplets.
Thank you po.
Yeah, they always get that a lot.
Francis gets triggered though whenever.
Yeah, ewan ko dun. I mean, it's nice naman.
Ayaw mo, edi wag.
Ito. Shake it off you when my head hurts. With the keys at the time and the password. I think was way take it backwards. Hold it back when I love cause you like bird. Real icky. Boy, you got a real icky. Get the ball, gotta talk. I'm real picky. Queens for me and got a no pity. I'm a highlight, came out of myself. Yeah. Mabilis pala siya.
Yung rap sa ano.
Yung rap out niya. Nalilito daw siya sa inyo minsan.
That is why we have names on our shirts.
Perfect! My point.
It is there for a reason.
Pero kasi, kaming girls, hindi namin hindi namin makita yung features na magkamukha kayo. Like, tinatry talaga namin tignan yung angles. Angle by angle. Pero, di namin nakita talaga.
Siguro in person, not really. Pero in through a picture, I've seen a resemblance sometimes.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, hi Bianca. Just want to let you know that I've been following you since 2022. That is so long. Hello. Thank you so much. But I will mute. Okay. Do you like Cat's Eye? Of course, I love Cat's Eye.
Of course. Can you not tell by our content?
Yeah.
Ano namin ginawa na?
Lahat ng namin, for How about the Seraphim? Yes! Of course.
Love.
Hope you'll cover the coconut too. Oh! Caitlyn.
Yes.
They said, hope daw i-cover natin yung the coconut.
The coconut?
Like, ito ba yun or ito?
Like,
The coconut nut is a big nut.
Oh yeah. Actually, alam mo naabutan ko when they were first learning that song. I mean, not first learning it, but like they were getting prepared to film it dun sa house na ano. I was there. I was like, oh, ito yung kanta niya. Like, binabasa ko yung lyric sheet nila.
Yeah. Pero, ang fun ng choreo na yun, I low-key wanna try it.
Palad lang nila, nonchalant.
Ako nonchalant ako.
Ah, Opposite pala to.
Charas.
I can be nonchalant.
I can be nonchalant.
No, you can't. Parang ikaw yung pinaka-nonchalant. Hindi. Ikaw yung pinaka-chalant.
Excuse me. Pardon me.
You're excused. Joke. I love you.
Bianca nagkakaiba just like Nika version with that cap though. Wow. Wow. Thank you so much. Oh, let's wear glasses also.
No, I can't see without the... Ay, wala akong contacts ngayon. So like, I can't see. Basta nakikita ko is your cap. Yeah, I can't read the comments though. I'm sorry, but I'm bulag.
Ganyan talaga. Wala eh.
Sorry, I don't have perfect vision. Malabo pala mata mo, Caitlyn. Yes. Malala.
What?
That's how I react when I see her. Joke.
Yeah. In the morning.
No, she would
Alam niyo ba guys, like every training, like every morning, hindi pwedeng hindi ako mag-power nap.
Actually, you're always, pagpasok ko pa lang sa room, nandun ka na nakahiyaga, natutulog.
Yeah. As in, like parang kada morning kailangan meron muna akong power nap for like 10 to 15 minutes. And then paggising ko, medyo ganito pa yung energy ko. Pero mamaya, paangat siya siyang paangat.
Yeah, actually.
That's how power nap works. Hello.
Like,
You guys also do Korean training? No. Nope. No.
walang glass yung eyeglass ni Bianca.
Yeah, wala. Kasi super labo na ng lens ko. So, tinanggal ko na. Kasi I like the frame.
Favorite niya yan.
Yeah. I like the frame. What? Bakit ba? May lahi ka po ba? Wala. Pero yung kausap ko, meron.
Sorry, wait lang. Naka-live si
Lahat
baby.
niya kung ano yun.
Ito siya.
Oy, I'm on your other side. For me,
Oh.
other side. Ah!
Ito. Yuck!
Kahit nga.
Hello.
Bianca doesn't love me.
Yo, your necklace same with Mika. Yay!
Ay, kamusta ka na ba ngayon? Okay, actually,
That's talaga ako dun sa kanta na yan.
Di ko pa rin inaaral yung sayaw na yan, pero nakakabisado ko lang kapag ano. Like, alam mo yung paulit-ulit mo siya napapanood, kaya nakakabisado mo na.
Same.
Ay, wait! May favorite akong song nila. As in, ito yung bias ko since birth. Since birth!
Sabi mo na.
Basta, ito talaga yung, as in, unang-unang naging favorite ko talaga. And until now, top 1 ko pa din. Like, guys, kinover ko yung song na to sa TikTok. Tiniktok ko to sa TikTok ko. Malamang.
Number 1 ko rin yan. Alam mo, favorite na favorite.
Basta sa super favorite ko siya, tiniktok ko na siya. As in, inaral ko talaga. And then, nagulat ako, nag-comment si Coach Mavi. Nagulat ako, guys. Super. Like, parang, nagulat nga ako sa TikTok na yun. Kompleto silang napansin yung TikTok na yun.
I love that. I love that song.
But I have a moon.
But
Wow! Wow!
Look, I can
That's
change
so
colors.
nice. Wait.
Wait.
Oh my, wow! Iba-iba yung color niya. That's so nice.
Just colors.
Yay!
I love. It's here.
I have this one naman. Wait. Ito yung meron ako. Ayan.
Oh! Actually, I've seen that before. I kind of wanted to like try it and get it. Pero wala. Hindi ko pa siya na ano. You have the light in your hands. I have it.
Then, daring nyo yan sa...
Brilyante ko.
Wait, purple din. Wait lang.
Or dito na lang.
Wala. Ito lang magagawa ko.
Sige nga, tapat natin. Ayan, pangit pala.
Pwede na mag-baseball.
Okay, off na. Over na.
Actually, I don't know. I've never. I will admit, I've never heard of pickleball before. The first time I heard it was when Rain mentioned it nung a couple months ago. Or basta one of the girls mentioned it before. And that's the first time I heard it. Hindi ko alam dati.
Ba't may nakalagay? Late na mga momshies, may practice pa kayo tomorrow? Ha?
Oh, sorry. I'm too loud. See? I can't be doing this. Ang SHA girls. No. Me
Ate
personally,
Bianca, you know me, nagpa-picture ako sa inyo both after Bini Signals World Tours concert. Yes! Ikaw yung tumawag sa akin, Bianca!
Ay.
Bago ka pa lumapit.
ay!
Bruh! He
Bruh.
called me kahit super layo niya pa. I mean, she pala. She called me kahit ang layo niya pa. Sabi niya, Bianca, pa-picture. Oh. Okay, okay po. Let's go. Oh my gosh, Crystal Bremner. Hello. Alam mo, pinag-uusapan ka lang namin kanina.
Alam
Siguro narinig mo kami.
Oh, actually, yeah. Hello.
What if you join? Yee, you wanna join, no?
I miss you.
What did you guys talk about? Kasi someone asked about, like, who's the intimidating one sa group. Sabi namin, wala naman. Pero first meet natin lahat. Parang napag-usapan natin lahat before na nung first meet natin, kanina ka super na-intimidate. So parang naisip namin, you, Crystal Bremner. Pero kasi sabi ko, in-explain kita, pinagtanggol kita. Sabi ko, meron ka lang talagang nag-rest yung face mo talaga na parang intimidating. Pero kapag kinausap mo, super smiley mo na. So,
Yeah.
hello.
Right. Ah. I think I got it.
Bakit ka pala nagtanong kung anong favorite color ni Chewy?
That is a secret. And I will not tell.
Why?
Secret Kami.
I will sumbong you. Wait.
To
To Chewy.
Oh, pakita mo.
Wait.
Kidnapping ko pa. Chewy! Oh!
Super sleepy na siya.
Ooh, you look sleepy, baby. Oh! He's so sleepy.
Yeah.
Oh my god, Bianca. No, I miss Chewy. Like,
Nakapikit na siya.
he's so sweet. Oh my god. You know, I don't know how or why, pero yung dogs nyo, si Billy tsaka si Chewy. Oh, actually, I don't know about Miles. He's very feisty. Miles is very sassy. Pero si Chewy tsaka si Billy, ang pinaka-sweetest dogs na I've ever met. Like, pero yung dog ko dati, very sassy rin.
Pero si Billy parang may times pa na super barky niya, no?
Yeah, minsan.
Pero ito, hindi ko siya super narinig magtahol. Magbark. Oh my gosh, look!
No! It's such a baby! Chewy!
Gina-judge ka niya. Alapit ka daw. Come here! Look at
Come to auntie.
his bell.
Oh!
Okay. Yay!
I love Chewy.
Okay, mag-sleep na siya. Bye! Bye! Super sleepy na.
Oh my god, I can't. Nagigigil ako.
Bye! Say bye!
Bye-bye.
Meron talaga sa dogs na parang kahit super angas mo, tapos pag nakahawa ka ng dog, magbe-baby talk ka bigla no.
Oh, actually, I love that.
Like, what the hell? Depende kung triyan.
Ano?
I di,
I don't
guys,
the meaning
she's
of-
from California, so
Hindi. And pati
she
rin
doesn't know
and other stuff like
Filipino memes right now.
that. I do, okay. Pero yung mga...
You don't know, ikaw, sipin. You don't know that.
Because y'all are so like up into the memes. I don't know. Do you know English
Don't know
slang?
that.
California slang? Hindi naman, di ba?
You just know.
No, ano?
You just know that. Like that thing.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi ko talaga kayang sabihin yung 6'7". Like yung gawin. Yung gawin siya ng sabay.
I don't like it either, but you know, when Crystal does it, like, he does it, and it's like, parang, but then at the same time, wala.
Hoy, pag ginagawa ni Crystal, yun natatawa kayo. Ako lang yung nakaganon.
Hindi, gumaganon na rin ako, pero natatawa ako kasi tumatawa din siya. It's like, what?
Queen of 6'7" yun si Crystal.
Actually.
Like parang, it's either just vote or 6'7".
Si volume just vote.
Oh yeah.
Number
Ay,
one.
ano pala?
Hindi. What?
Wala.
Ano yun?
Nakalimutan kasi sinasabi ko. May binasa kasi ko.
Alam mo, that whole, I don't know how long we've been talking, but this is all I've done.
Ha?
The whole time we've been talking, di ba, I have this is all I've done. Dalawa lang. Dalawang stitch lang.
Kaya mo yan.
Hindi ako makafocus eh.
I can't be followed since you got the world around to absolutely scream. I can't be followed. Say what we want. Say
may kausap din yung mama ko. Narinig ko lang. Sabi ko, sino nagsasalita dyan? Also, she was in here earlier. She said, Hoy, bakit gising ka pa, Bianca?
Oh, sorry.
Other mom. Tinanong ka, pero hindi niya ako tinanong. Kung ba't ako gising.
I miss tita. Hindi ko pa nagagamit yung Tumblr.
Me either.
I'm planning to di ba may straw yung tumbler ko na brown? Gusto ko siya ilipat doon.
Actually, that was, kasi yung we have as well, so she has one for me. She just didn't bring it sa dinner. Pero I have yung teal tsaka yung beige. Di ba yung isa is with yung twist, tapos yung isa is with the straw. Gusto ko siyang like i-change kasi wala. I like the straw. I'm a straw drinker now.
Yeah.
Ever
Parang mas
since-
easy. Like, kunyari, super hingal ka na. Parang hirap ng
Hindi naman sa ganun. It's just easier. So I found myself drinking a lot more water pag may straw. Pero pag wala siyang straw, parang hindi naman sa nakakatamad, pero like wala. It's just easier lang yung straw. It's just there. It's right away. So yun lang.
Get naman. Ako kasi parang mas iniingal ako lalo kapag like yung ganun yung tumbler ko. Kasi di ba super full out tapos super hingal tapos kailangan ko pang tumal. Tapos luluno ko pa.
Labat parang may sayaw yun.
Habang umuwi pa samantala.
Alam mo, I found a new song. Kasi, di ba, number 1 artist na Filipino artist ko is si Arthur Neri. But I haven't listened to all of his songs. Pero meron siyang recent song. I forgot what it's called. Wait. Ano ko lang eh. Di nakakasawa.
What? Super, ang tagal na nun Months? I don't know if months. Oh, months
It's
na.
a new song. Pero I just discovered it lang kasi.
Ah, okay. Ikaw, parang months na yun. Parang 8 to 9 months na.
Oh, damn. Oops. See, I'm very late to stuff. That's the thing. Okay? Bago pa lang sa akin. Pero sa inyo, 1 year na pala.
Merong bago si Earl Agustin.
Ooh!
Inano ko to kay Calvin. Parang nirecommend ko kay Calvin. Pero mas nagustuhan yung, dalawa kasi nirecommend ko sa kanya. Pero mas nagustuhan niya yung,
Yung.
dati pa.
Ayun ka.
Meron kasi dalawang song. Yung una is Baka Tayo, tapos yung pangalawa is Dina. Tapos mas nagustuhan niya yung Dina. Kasi yung Dina is parang more on jazzy side.
See, I need to add those songs to my playlist because it sounds so nice, pero hindi ko... That's why I like... Di ba yung may option, may feature sa Instagram na pag na-click mo yung song, pwede mo na siyang i-add sa Spotify agad. You don't have to like, transfer it sa Spotify and add it in. Favorite ko talaga yun. Ginagamit ko yun lagi. Pero may bagong song by Alison Shore, yung Vertigo. Really nice din. I like it.
Really? Hindi ko pa napapakinggan. Ay, tinry ko siya pakinggan kanina pero ang dal-dal ko. So, I think later na lang.
Yeah. Yun din yung nangyari sa Di Nakakasawa. I played it, but then I started live, so then hindi ko siya na-absorb ba.
Wait, nagulat talaga ako sa mga pumasok kanina. So, ang mga pumasok is si Trisha Martin, Sheena, and Niana.
Ikaw yung number 1 na famous sa amin.
No. Crazy. Hindi ko alam kung pumasok ang dancehall queen, pero may nakita kasi ako parang, hindi ko alam kung siya ba yun. Pero kasi, di ba pag may nakalagay na invite na parang gawin mo siyang guest, ibig sabihin, like parang nag-join siya. Ayun yung nakita ko kanina. So, I don't know.
I feel like it says that even when they haven't joined though.
I don't know. Ayun yung lumalabas sa akin eh.
Active lang, pero hindi
Kapag
pa-
nag-join,
Yeah.
I will check later. Pero ang sure na dumaan is si Ate Shi and Niana. Is crazy.
Yeah.
So crazy.
Cute.
Matagal ko na hinintay.
Anong oras ka natulog yung last night?
Ha?
Anong oras ka natulog last night?
Ang aga ko natulog last night. Ay, joke.
Anong oras?
2:30.
Parang nakita ko nakalagay sa Instagram active about an hour ago and it was like 4 a.m.
No! Baka nagising lang ako. Pero 2:30 ako natulog.
Alam mo anong oras ako natulog?
What?
Hulaan.
5.
5 a.m.
I know you too well.
Eh, yung post ko sa... It was at 5 a.m.
Damn.
Damn. Hindi kasi I was falling asleep, but I had to post, diba? So, pag ganun yung... Actually, nalaglag siya sa labi ko. Ang sakit. Sa phone, sa mukha ko.
Ayun yung ayoko talaga nangyayari sa akin.
Tapos, hindi, actually, no, I was done posting at that time. Sineset ko na lang yung alarm ko. Tapos, wala, nalaglag siya. Sabi ko, okay, tama na yun. Binitaw ko na yung phone ko. Tapos, nakatulog na agad ako.
Wait.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12.
I will end around 45.
Oh no, I think I did one. Wala, I have to redo it because I think I did it one too short. Hindi, okay na yan.
I will end around 12:45.
Okay.
Hindi na sana ang oras at panahon natin dalawa sa paghihintay ako na sinabi mo ano. Wow, nakalagay dito, Lara and Caprice?
Bro, I can't.
What?
What?
Parang gusto ko pa magtimpla ng kape.
Hala ka, Bianca, wag.
Pero kasi baliktad talaga yung effect sa akin ng kape. Which is, yay.
What if it's all in your mind? Ano ba to?
Sa bago
Oh, I exited out. Mali! Ala, nawala ata si Bianca. Nawala! Nawala siya, guys. Nawala! Hello, are you alive?
Yeah.
Hello, are you alive? Hello, are you alive?
May,
Hello, are you alive? Bianca, are you alive?
bruh!
Hello, are you alive?
May turning pa kayo later. Wala.
Wala. Did I rage bait you? Did yung rage baiter get rage baited? Hello, nawala siya ulit.
Wait lang. May ginawa.
Okay. Sorry.
Kapag lagi daw nagkakape, nagkakaroon ng caffeine tolerance. Kaya need caffeine break.
Oh, di ba?
I can't hear you. Bakit box ka? Hindi ko maintindihan. Kaya pala mga
Why I
gising
have
pa
my
ng
hot
ganito.
dog time. Para may effect siya sa akin when I need it. Oh, di ba? Smart.
Just about.
No.
Pero kasi as in, wala nang effect sa akin yung kape. So, parang nagkakape na lang ako kasi crave ko yung lasa. Hindi para sa effect niya. I don't know where she is.
Where who is?
Jais though.
Ah.
I don't know where she is. I'm sorry. It's just me and Caitlin here.
Yeah. She's probably sleeping.
For sure. Grabe yung sipon ko, lala talaga.
Actually, I've heard you sniffle every like 30 seconds. Every.
Do yun cover? Parang hindi ko kaya ngayon. Kasi hindi ako makahinga. Pero try natin.
Go. Kaya mo yan. Wow, live audience.
Grabe, sipon ko lala.
I don't have sipon na. Alam mo, kanina, sorry, sobrang aggressive. Kanina, di ba? Well, this is bad din. Kasi, my mom told me to go live. Tapos, bored din ako. So I was like, sure, why not? Pero, tinignan niya ako na parang ganon. Tapos sabi niya, nagulat ako. Tawa
Ayan, mana-mana lang.
ako ng tawa.
You can't outdo the doer.
As in, sabi, hindi lang, naganon pa siya. Sabi ko, tawa ako ng tawa, tapos nagalit siya.
You can't outdo the doer.
Like, sobrang ang sakit ng tiyan ko after nun. Hindi ko in-expect na gagawin.
Well, it's tita. Mga tuwing mumulat aking mga mata, mamasdan ng iyong pagkahimping, ang iyong paghingin kay lambing, at pagkising ay maghawa kamay, yung makakatay ay sumayaw kasabay ng ribo kumpas at pintig. Nang tugtog dito sa aking dibdib, ako ay tulad mo. Ang hirap. Ang hirap huminga.
Gawin ko sanang light stick eh.
Ay, wow. Pero ito, guys. Feeling ko alam nila to. Sige, isa chorus muna tayo. Sobrang
Ang siyang hanap-hanap matagal di ko'y nangarap. Yung lahat nakikiusap ko ba'y mahalin na sinta. Ikaw na ang siyang magbabago sa akin.
ganda. Talaga.
How that sounds.
Yeah.
But it sounds.
Ay, parang hinart mo yung notes ko. It's this one, no? It's giving MJ vibes.
Yun. Okay, yes.
Look. Ito yun.
Yeah. It is. It really is. It's the beat.
Hindi ko alam kung inspired ba talaga kay MJ or ewan ko.
Ngayon sa akin kahit pala isa.
Yeah. Pat, good night. Good night, Jean.
Good night.
Ikaw na.
Parang ginawa ko is lang, vibe sa playlist mo na naman.
Guys, alam nyo, ang tagal na, di ko pa rin binibigay yung no?
Hindi pa rin. Sabi mo, bibigay mo sa akin. Hindi mo pa rin binibigay.
Hindi ko pa rin binibigay yung playlist ko sa kanya. Like, parang,
Gatekeep niya, guys.
parang 3 to 4 months pala ng training, hinihingi nyo na yung playlist ko. Pero 1 year na, di ko pa rin binibigay.
Actually.
I'm sorry. Ang dami ko kasing playlist talaga. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung ibibigay ko.
Mine, lahat nasa like songs ko. So, wala akong ibang playlist kung hindi yung like songs. Kaya halo-halo na yung lahat ng
Madami akong playlist eh.
Biglang, from like Chris Brown, tapos biglang may Frank Sinatra.
Random.
To Doja Cat, to
Like parang super alam mong liked songs lang siya. Alam mo yung sa playlist na like? OPM playlist. Luma na yun. May mga bago akong playlist. I'm gatekeeping it.
Yes, she is.
You're given a chance to act, Jika ba? I think, yeah.
And you're very expressive. I feel like you'd be good at acting.
I think I can try.
Yeah. I feel like because hindi ka sanay, you would be laughing a lot. Pero like,
Pero if serious job naman siya, bruh.
yes na if you lock in, kaya mo
Yeah,
yun.
pero yung acting na parang kunyari laro-laro lang, matatawa ako. Pero if like serious workshop, serious job, or I don't know, I think I can. Pwede ka namimigay, need copy for my cafe, please. I'm sorry, but di ko nga binibigay kay Caitlyn, tas ibibigay ko sa'yo.
Grabe na, parang atake na yun
Joke. Joke.
How old are you?
Sorry, ginigatekeep ko kasi.
Keep ko rin yun, yung age ko. Joke.
Oh, okay. Hindi ako madamot.
Hi guys.
Just have to explore the music industry. Like, ang daming super underrated na artist talaga and underrated na songs na super deserve ng spotlight pero hindi pa rin. So, I'm just waiting na malaman nyo na lang.
Through Bianca. Joke.
Huh?
I said through you.
Magugulat na lang si Caitlyn. Ang dami kong piniplay kapag ako yung nagiging leader of the week.
Yeah.
Tapos tatanong niya kung ano yun.
What was the song that you played? Like the one before this one?
Ang dami kong pinlay. I'm sorry.
Titignan ko pa yung history niya. Para lang
Yeah, tapos dun ko lang malalaman. Kahit ang lalaki ng Oh my gosh, 12:45 na.
Oh, we're the same age. Just use Shazam. I've never tried using Shazam, so I don't know. Wala, I just remember yung I remember lang yung words, tapos I look it up sa Google. At pag wala, edi wala. Not forever. I'm sure I'll hear it again someday.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I will rewatch, after this live, I will rewatch, Barbie. Nag-rewatch ako ng Bibble. Ng Fairytopia kanina. A Barbie movie.
Barbie, I saw that.
Kasi I love Bibble. I miss Bibble.
Oh, favorite mo talaga siya.
It's either Bibble or Cars. Si McQueen. Lightning McQueen.
Like your shirt.
Yeah, ka-chow!
Yeah.
You know, I have a new AirPod. Pero hindi ko pa siya naka-custom. It's cool, look. Like, para siyang my phone.
Ooh.
And then if I open it.
Whoa. I like that. That's a,
Right? It's very useful.
yeah.
And then it's closed now.
Wow. Wow.
Kasi nawala ko yung earphones ko.
Hello. Alam mo,
Guys, ako before hindi ko kaya ng walang earphones.
Kailangan talaga. It's number one. Bro.
Before kasi parang parang AirPods hater ako. Pero kasi nawala ko so wala akong choice.
Excuse me?
Bilang AirPods user.
Literally, I have them right here.
Okay, sige, sagad ko na hanggang 12:50. I will end na around 12:50.
Why not gawin mo 1 a.m. na? Where am I?
Hi Krishna, I miss you.
I'm making a seat cover. And I made
Seat cover? What you mean? Like yung box?
Oh, just a box. Just a cover lang for the seat. Para hindi siya madumihan. Kasi pwede itong laban. Machine wash and dry is safe. So, actually, Frances wanted me to make her another pillow para kay hindi si Mochi, si PB kasi ginagano niya. So, she wanted me to make another small pillow na white din. Tinext ko siya, kailan yun? Kagabi, sabi ko, okay, what size? Anong size ba? I forgot. Is it like the one that I give to Teacher Kitchi or mas malaki ba? Sinin niya lang. So, wala. Hindi ko siya gagawin unless she responds.
Okay, Frances.
Okay, Frances.
Just vote. Bianx, t-shirt size mo? Anything oversized.
Yeah. It's always better oversized. Like,
It's either super oversized or super small. Like the
actually,
fitted one.
super fitted or like super.
Or like a large shirt. Okay, last 1 minute countdown, everyone.
Last 11 minutes.
Fine.
Fine. I will get my chapstick. Wait lang. Oh my gosh.
Grabe yung sipon ko nilala. Krishna! Where's Krishna? Dito ba si Krishna? Ay, wala na. Oh! Jels is here! Hi, Jels!
Favorite ko talaga to.
Hi, Jels! Oh my God! Nagulat ako ka-table ka namin like, wow! Sabi ko, naisip ko, parang familiar siya. Tapos nagulat ako after nung... Nagulat